Hey, this is Nate. Just wanted to do this quick video review, kind of give you some pointers on your website. Scrolling down through here and looking at the site, the overall layout of the site looks great, but there's not a lot of content here. With Google, content is king. We recommend about 1,000 to 1,500 words on this homepage and about 500 to 750 words on your back service pages. You want to get those keywords and keyword phrases that people are typing into Google organically in the content on your page. It's not the only way to be found for a particular keyword, but it is the easiest and fastest way for Google to recognize those keywords and know that your site is relevant to what people are looking for. So I did put you into one of the SEO tools that we have. Your title tag and your H1 tag are two of the most important things that Google is going to look at. So your title tag right now is home, Fort Walton Beach FL, step-by-step pressure, and soft washing. I like to put the city first, so I would do something like Fort Walton Beach pressure washing, and then a dash and your company name. The company name is a little bit long. You've only got 70 characters, so I'm not sure if it would fit. But you want to get where you're located and the service you do up front there. Take out the home part because you're a little bit over your limit here anyway. You're supposed to be about 70 characters. But, something like, Fort Walton Beach pressure washing, maybe put an and symbol in there, or, just do like step-by-step pressure washing maybe for the company name to get it all to fit. But you want to tell Google where you're at and what you do, and then put your company name in for branding. On the H1 tag, the H1 tag is the only thing that shows up on the actual website out of these. So if you look, affordable pressure washing and soft washing, this right here is your H1 tag. Nothing wrong with what it says here, but as far as your H1 tag goes, I would just make it, Fort Walton Beach FL pressure washing. Keep it short and sweet. Build that very simple, clear communication path with Google to let them know where you are and what you do. So even if you just left this below that, but no longer made it the H1 tag, something like that, just like I said, where you're at and what you do. Google is smart enough, like a lot of people when they're typing in the keywords would put, pressure washing Fort Walton Beach. We like to put the city first just because a lot of the other stuff we do on the back end, it makes it easier for us when we're writing press releases and different things like that to get that keyword in there. And Google is smart enough to know that if we want to be found for Fort Walton Beach, Florida pressure washing, that we also want to be found for pressure washing Fort Walton Beach, Florida. So, they're smart enough to figure that out. But I did pull up the area here just to give you some examples. This right here is your title tag for each one of these sites. And then right below that is the meta description. So, a lot of these are going to talk about, and it's not 100%, but probably 90% of the time, all of these top ranking guys are going to have something about pressure washing and where they're at in this title tag. And they also have repeated down here in the meta description. The bolded words here, Google actually bolded those. The people that put the meta description together did not. But Google is telling me these bolded words are related to what I typed into the search bar. So, pressure washing Fort Walton, pressure washers Fort Walton, pressure washing, this one at least says Florida, does have Walton Beach in the meta description. So you can see why those keywords and getting those in there are important. So I hope that helps you out. Just wanted to give you some pointers. So I think I cut myself off there a little bit, but just wanted to come back in real quick. Like I said, just wanted to give you a few pointers. If you got any questions, feel free to reach out. You know how to find me. I will talk to you later, and thank you for your time.